What is up, everybody? It's Larry back with you, and today we're going to be talking about yet another case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this one is very unique, very unique. And when they reached out to me, this company, which looks like its name is ROS or ROHS, apologies for that, but when they reached out to me to take a look at this, I was like, yes, yes, yes. Now, if you're a fan of the channel or you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I've reviewed clip-on different lenses that give you maybe fisheye or macro or anything like that, or anamorphic, and I'm a big fan of those, but this one puts it all into a case. Now, I'm not 100% sure if the module will come off of the case, as you can see from the box here, or if it just slides over, or if it's removable. Part of me wants it to be removable, but part of me wants it to just be part of the case, so it's not anything separate that I have to keep track of. So, but we're going to take a look at it together. With this lens, you can turn your iPhone into the best camera with you all the time. With this lens, you can turn your iPhone into we said that, taking professional photos with your iPhone has never been easier. For use with the iPhone, so you have the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max, which is obviously the one that I'm using. And let us get into this. I believe I'm 99% sure, if I remember correctly, one of these is a macro, which I'm a huge fan of macro photography. So here is the case itself. A little microfiber cloth, not mad at that. User manual. So, oh yeah, here we go. So you have a Cpl filter, you have a 10 times macro, a fisheye lens, a 2 times telephoto, and a 20 times macro. Holy crap. Okay. By default, the lens is going to be pulled to the bottom to avoid blocking the camera itself. When using with the lens, move left to switch the camera positions. Okay, well let's just get this on, right? So let's just take a look at the case. Sides, very flimsy. That looked like crap. Okay, that looks really nice. So this is Ulanzi. I was gonna say, I don't see that anywhere on the packaging, but I remember that name from the email. So we have here, you got a little magnet that holds that closed. Not super tight though. So, and then you have these little notches in, and then it looks like little ball detents on each side. So you can feel it when it gets into position. It sort of clicks into place. So let's put the iPhone in there. Okay, so you don't have like any lay flat protection, at least when it comes to the case side of it. So everything else is pretty much normal. So we have this, what did they say this was? A Cpl filter. So if you click it over once, you're gonna get the filter over, I believe that's going over the ultra wide. Yeah. So as you can see here, it's going over the ultra wide, which is this Cpl filter. The wide angle is no longer usable, it's covered. Okay, so that's why when we're in here, wow. So the macro. So this is, when you slide it over once, you're getting the 10 times macro. So this is the 10 times macro up here, and 20 times macro will be on the telephoto. So let's take a look at what the differences are. So here we go. I mean, I am on top of this thing. So let's go to the, whoa. All right, that's cool. Let's see what we got. What do we got here? Let's look at this knife blade. All right. All right, look at that. You can see like the etching in it from it being used. Now let's go 20. That's insane. I'll take some photos so I can throw up there so you guys see a better look. I don't like this. I wish that, does this? This thing does not. I was sort of hoping this thing sort of clicked back into place, but it's just Flappy McFlapovich there. So like when you go to take a photo, if you're doing macro and you go down, like what I was doing, look at that. You know what I'm saying? So, although it's very clear, let's see what 40 looks like. Bam! So, yeah, okay, that's my one complaint so far. I wish this would like had the same little notches and could sort of click back into that area. It definitely does not. I mean, I can. Okay, so now how do we get to the fisheye? I got the macros. Oh, I go over one more. Okay, we got another position. Okay, so now we have fisheye at the top and telephoto at the bottom. So let's see what we got here. Whoa, okay. Like that's fisheye. Here we go. This is like Beastie Boys 90s, early 90s videos right here. So what you want? All right, so we got that. And then let's look at the 4 times. Wow, okay. So I am going to, okay. Let's see how I can show you guys this a little bit. Okay, so we'll do this just to look a little bit. So let's get this thing all the way back out of the way. Okay, so we're off the lenses. So this is 2 times telephoto, right? This is the normal iPhone. 2 times. So we're gonna go all the way. Jeez, oh, the thing comes off. Well, that's cool. So I guess you can take it off. All right. Well, happy accident, I guess. So I can leave it on or I can take it off. So I'm gonna close this back up so I don't get fingerprints all over it. And then you just slide it back in to where the ball T10. I went too far. Okay. So now this is 4 times. Let me get back to. You can see it change, right? I'm even too close to focus. So that is 2 times. I wonder if it'll fisheye. I have to go all the way back. That's 2 times. Okay. So you get a pretty decent idea there. And let's go. 1 more. 4 times. So I'm going to be posting some pictures on my Instagram and Twitter accounts. I'll leave a link for those down below and you'll see them, the names of them here. So make sure you guys are following me there because I'm going to show some pictures off of this in use. But so far, I really like it. You can remove the lenses or you can leave them on there. So like I said at the beginning, half of me wants to leave it on there, half of me wants to take it off. I actually have the option to do both. So you can't be wrong, you know, you can't be mad to have options. Looks like this thing is going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, a little bit of my greasy hands is on there. That's not too bad. I wish that the case had a little bit more protection around the front, lay flat protection for those who don't use screen protectors, but I highly recommend you do. I'll leave some links for the ones that I use down in the description below. They're really good. Really easy to install, like idiot proof, like really, really idiot proof. So, but yeah, I mean, it's cool. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Again, follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to see some more of this stuff. If you've yet to subscribe to the channel, hit that down below. Also, you can hit the little bell that's right next to it. It'll give you notifications on your device for when I upload videos. Also, let me know what you guys think about this case down in the comment section. Again, it says lenses used for iPhone. Lens used for iPhone. So, okay, it's an iPhone case with multiple lenses on it. I think it's really cool. Ulanzi is the company that's making this particular model that was sent out to me, so big thanks to them for sending this out, because without them this video would not be possible. I'll leave links for this down in the description below, but I will also leave the link for the iPhone 11 version and the iPhone 11 Pro version, as well as the Max version that we saw today. That's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in the next one.